Do you know how to edit on Sticknodes Pro? So in this tutorial you're sorted. We are going to learn the editing skills on Sticknodes Pro for amateurs and the pros. So Sticknodes have a very nice interface and it is very simple like that. So we are going to start with adding frames. As I told you, we add frames from clicking on add, and one click equals to one frame. So if you click 30 times, you'll have 30 frames. So have you added excess frames? It's not your fault. You can delete these frames by clicking on delete. One delete click equals to one frame delete. Have you deleted the frame that you wanted? It's not your fault. You can redo or undo any mistake that you do in Sticknodes Pro, and you correct it from this left right corner, which is redo and undo. We activate the segments for the stickman by clicking on the circle on the segment. So if you click on the circle on the segment, that means you have activated the segment and you can move that segment the way you want it. Let's learn how to change the stickman's color into a uniform color. What you are going to do, you are going to click on stick figure color and you select the color that you want. By doing this, you'll find out that the stickman's segments have not changed. They have remained in their segment colors. So what you are going to do, you are going to activate each segment and remove this blue tick on the stick segment color, and the results will be all the stickman will become for a uniform color. We can change the background of the stick figure into an image or a color. So let us start with the image. You are going to look for background image, and it represents like load background image, and you select any image from your gallery and use it as your stick figure image. For the case of the color, you look for the background color and change it into the color that you want, and the results are very amazing. So do you know how to import stick figures? The answer is no. You look for import stick figure, look for the stick figure that you want, and you'll add it. So you can add as many stick figures that you want, such as swords and any other stick figure that you want. Do you know how to create stick figures for yourself? Go and click on create stick figure, and you can draw any stick figure using the segment, circle, filled circle, and all these tools. Here you can use your art skills and draw any stick figure that you want. After creating your stick figure, you'll save as, and here you will name it. Give it any name that you want. If you want to use this stick figure, you'll go on import stick figure, and you'll type in the name that you want, you save this stick figure as, and you'll import and add it. So do you know frames per second? Frame per second in Sticknodes Pro is abbreviated as FPS. So if I have 8 FPS, it means 8 frames forms 1 second. In animation, it is very important to know the frames per second, and for smooth animations you can use 12 frames per second or 24 frames per second. So do you know onion? Onion is the ability to see the last frame when you are in the current frame. It enables you to position yourself very well in the current frame using the past frame. The animator is able to know what is in the past frames when is changing the position for the current frame. So as you can see on this image, I'm on the frame 1, but I can see what is taking place in frame 2, or if I'm in frame 4, I can see what is taking place in frame 3. So this is a very important quality of animation, as it helps you to change position for your animation. So have you learned anything in this tutorial? Kindly subscribe, like this video and comment. Thanks.